We bowl things off with cricket. There are deep concerns from Jamaica's under-15 coach Phillip about the development of local cricket following Jamaica's last place finish at the West Indies Rising Stars Championship in Antigua, where they suffered 4 consecutive defeats. The Jamaicans were brushed aside by 4 wickets in their last match after posting 146 all out on Wednesday at the Sir Vivian Richards Stadium. The young Jamaicans finished on a meager 6.6 points, well behind the champions Trinidad and Tobago, who tallied 23.8 points.
I think that we have work to do with our players if we are going to be more competitive in the region, because in some instances, the players in the other regions are currently ahead of us. In some instances, that is not to say that we could not have win more games, because we win the first game because Barbados panic. We should have won the second game. We had 4 run-outs, so it was basically over. I think that when you look at the level of where the players are at this age group in the region, they are ahead of us. So we need to look at what we do in Jamaica and where our players are.
Speaking from Antigua, Service said the local governing body needs to search for answers to rectify the problem.
I can't tell you a reason for it, and I am discussing with the other coaches as to what their programs are like. Because you leave the country feeling you have a good crop of players, or you feel you have players that can compete. But when you look back at the performances and look at the performance of the other team, in other words, it is clear. So I can't tell you I have a reason for it, and it would be premature for me to tell you. But that is the main conclusion I draw.